book is not too small to make a difference. Auntie Laura here, your story launcher, helping stuck authors and stuck writers becoming unstuck. So I want to share with you today about how your voice and your message, no matter how small it is, can make a magnificent impact. Even becoming the micro influencer of your niche. The right message, the right movement, the right timing can make massive impact. Share with a friend that needs to move, that needs to continue their legacy, that needs to be inspired. Ciao for now.